Live trade today, and we'll be trading on a rising wedge. If you're a beginner to trading or a beginning trader, you will know after studying, you will know what they call a rising wedge. A rising wedge is a situation whereby the market has deep down, has a heavy sell trend, then it wedges and then goes back up to the previous position it was in. So on this live video, I will tell you how to spot a rising wedge, when to trade on a rising wedge, spotting your confirmations and entering your trade. So you can see that I'm trading on volatility 75 index. My time frame is on 30 minutes. I've already entered my trade with 6 positions already on my trade, even though they are showing me red, meaning I'm on loss. That's because I'm on a higher time frame. So your candlestick builds gradually. Each candlestick builds gradually. It's not like a 1 minute time frame whereby whatever you're seeing is happening immediately. So in the comment section, I would like everybody leaves a message on what and how questions things they don't understand about trading, things they don't understand about rising wages. Ask me any questions. I'll also leave a link in the description and the comments to chat me on my WhatsApp before I dive fully into this simple course. So now you can see that this is where the market wedged. Started wedging here, got down here, built a resistance point here, went up, had a neckline, went up again, and came back almost close to the previous resistance point, went up again. So the market now went down again. You see that it's building structures of buy and sell. It's building structures of buy and sell that Now the confirmation I used in entering this trade is this structure right here. You see that there was liquidity here and here, and the liquidity had the same point. Liquidity had the same point here. Now the market went down. You can see that this was the signal here for this market to go down. This dead man hanging candlestick told the market that the market is coming down. It touched at this point and gradually went up. Now that was the first confirmation to know that the market wants to escape from this current structure. So here it's going to be where we use as our liquidity point the previous resistance point, meaning if the market breaks from this point, it's going to be a buy. The market is going to have a reversal and return back at a falling wedge. So sorry, I'm going to put on my hotspot because I want to connect my system. So as it touched on this structure and went up. Now this is the previous one up. the market got up to this other support level here, this where the structure started, where the sell structure started. It got back to here, touched it here, and had a retest. Now that is a good sign, because whatever you're doing, you're looking for the retest. The retest is where you enter your positions. Mind you, I'm on a tight 30 minutes time frame. Now my retest looks very small, but we are going to scout down to a 5 minutes. I'm going to scout down to a 5 minute time frame. Now in this 30 minutes time frame, this is where that retest happened. Let's use a 15. That's a 5. Now this is where the market broke out. Yeah, this point was where the market broke out and had a retest, came back and touched back on the same zone where this structure, this rising structure, had developed here, developed a little liquidity here. Touched back, meaning there's a retest there that this market is what it's going to go back up. It's going to buy back up. Now that was my second confirmation. The third confirmation is there's a bullish order block here. Bullish order block. And that bullish order block shows that if the market rises up and touches back on that same bullish order block, which is 2 times here, the market is going to go up. So that was like the second confirmation. Now the third confirmation, the fourth confirmation is this 2 candlestick here. It's a bear, it's a bullish candlestick, bullish reversal candlestick. Sorry, I've forgotten the name. But when this happens, you know that the market is going up. So this was the retest when it got up to this point and came down back to here to this position. Now went up. So these are things to note. These are things to notice. So I entered my position on this candlestick here, and currently you can see that we are reading our profit. But this profit is not our target. Now our target is for this market to get back to here, get back to this position, which is 437,947. So that's where I'm setting my take profit. 437,947, right? So I hope I was correct. Yes, 437,947. 437,947. So I'm setting up my take profit. I've already set up my stop loss. I'll talk about that after I'm done. No, I think that was wrong. 37947. So I'm setting up my take profits, and I've set up my stop loss because risk management, it's always needed. You don't just enter a trade without this. This helps you in case your market has some manipulation and goes otherwise. You know that you don't lose much. Also, setting up a take profit means once the market gets to the level, it closes immediately, so that you don't miss and get a reversal and go back to loss even after hitting the position that you desired. So I set up my stop loss here. So I set up my stop loss because this is where these 2 bullish candlestick occurred, meaning that the market will not come down below back this point again. Instead, it's going to, even if it wavers around here after this retest, even if it wavers, it won't go below this position. So that's why this is my stop loss. Sorry, trying to put on something so that I can have a free flow on this current live. So you can see that the markets have started going up. So what we are going to do is we sit and observe. We sit and observe the next candlestick. If the next candlestick gives us a bullish candlestick, then that means we are good to go. If the next candlestick is a bullish candlestick, then our final confirmation is in. and that means the market is back on a bullish trend, meaning it's going back up. Now if you also look at other higher time frames, you will see the wedge clearly here. Now you can see the falling wedge clearly from my drawings. Also look at how 4 hours time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, you will see that a double top occurred, triple top, sorry, 1 2 3. Market rose 3 tops, came back here, had a retest here. This was where the retest happened, and came down back to this position, which is the previous support level, meaning that once it hits here, it's going to take off back again. After it wagered, which is what you're seeing here now, market is going to go up. It's going to buy. Look at day one. Day one is telling you that there was a double, triple bottom here. The market now is returning back to this position, but it's going to have a retest, first retest, second retest. The second retest. Come back to our 30 minutes time frame, which we are trading on. So we need that second candlestick to end up as a green candlestick upwards. Then our final confirmation is in. You can also enter your trade once that candlestick is finished. You can also enter your trade now and make profit with me. I am on over $500 now. I'm on over $500. So let's keep on watching on our candlestick. So the next candlestick is due to come by 11:30, which it's a very far time. Yes, it's a far time, I know, but that's the beauty of trading. Always having that patience to wait, and there's a reward after waiting, which says the patient dog licks the fattest bone. So you know that after waiting patiently, you're going to get your reward. My hotspot doesn't want to stay on. Okay, that's common. So I won't be doing much talking again. All we'll be doing is observing the trade, observing that candlestick in the next 15 minutes. Let's check our 15 minutes time frame. You can see that our next 15 minutes time frame is also a bullish candlestick. You can see here now that this is a confirmation. This two candlestick is a confirmation that the market is going to buy. So you also have to study the candlestick. This will help you a lot. So we are still observing. So I offer account management, VIP signals, VIP strategies, and trading boards. We also have mentorship program whereby you come, message us, I teach you everything about trading, everything you need to learn. Trading is not difficult. Trading is not difficult. It's just you being patient and learning what you need to learn. So we are still observing our candlestick. We have 30 minutes more. So another confirmation that I just spotted now, it's this triple bottom below here, 1 2 3, telling you that the market is going to buy. These are things you need to look out for. These three order block here. These are 3 bullish order blocks, 2 bullish order block, and 1. Yeah, 3 bullish order blocks, because after this one the market buyed immediately. Those are for scalpers, people that scalp. They'll spot that immediately and use that as a means to immediately enter and exit the market. Scalping is very nice, no doubt, but not on 30 minutes time frame. We are still observing our candlestick. So this live is going to be from now to 11:30 on my time frame. I'm waiting for the next 30 minutes candlestick, so that if it's a bullish, I forget about the trade for the next 4 or 5 hours, and when I get back, you will see that the market has gone up and I will be on heavy profits here. Please check the time frame. Take your time frames before entering trade. If you're spotting a rising wedge, you should at least confirm this on 3 other time frames. I've confirmed it on 30 minutes time frame, confirmed it on 1 hour time frame, confirmed it on 15 minutes time frame, probably same thing for 5 minutes time frame. 5 minutes time frame, yes, confirmed it on 5 minutes time frame. 5 minutes time frame is a bit clearer. You can see where the retest happened and why the market is going back up again. This is a good signal. This candlestick, this spinning top, this spinning top bearish candlestick means a bullish market is about to happen. Okay, we have 8 more minutes to go, and that 8 more minutes determines if we stay on this trade or if we exit this trade. Right now we are on those profits, small profits. So the next 8 minutes and our candlestick is still on that bearish greenish looking position, then we are not exiting. By the way, guys, I'm happy with the improvements on our TikTok. I want to take us to our TikTok channel. I'm very happy with the improvement on our TikTok channel. We're currently on 103 followers. 103 followers. I know yet it's a bit difficult because not everybody's into trading. But if you're following me on TikTok or not, go and subscribe, because all the content I drop on TikTok are quite different from what I drop on YouTube. Same thing on my Instagram. Go and follow me on Instagram. Six more minutes. It's now our candle now. It's red. It's no more green. Four minutes to go, and we're having a candlestick that's indecisive. Three more minutes. Our candlestick is still indecisive. 2 more minutes and the candlestick still looks the same way. I've already gotten 4 or 5 confirmations. I just want to add this to part of our confirmations. It doesn't really matter. One more minute. So right now this candlestick is telling us that both the buyers and sellers are in an equal struggle. So since they are in an equal struggle, the next candlestick is going to determine, which is the next 30 minutes candlestick. It's going to determine. You see that this one ended with a bullish spinning top. So this means that our trade, our analysis, technical analysis, confirmations, entries are all correct. So we'll remain on this trade for the next 4, 5, 6 hours, and by that time the profit you're seeing here should be over 1000%. Thank you. Subscribe and follow for more.